Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Yemi and welcome to Yemi's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a quick chicken plantain casserole, just a small portion for me to eat this evening. If you're Nigerian, we can call it chicken dodo casserole. So what are the ingredients that you're going to be needing to make this quick chicken plantain casserole? You're going to need chicken. I have some roasted chicken here, and you're going to need some vegetables. Other ingredients used are habanero pepper, thyme, curry powder, chicken bouillon powder, fried plantain, salt, and vegetable oil. Now I'm going to fry the plantains. I have chopped them to bite size exactly for the chicken plantain casserole. I'm going to fry this and keep them till I put them in my sauce. I'm going to start by putting a little bit of oil, like a spoon of oil, into my pan. I'm pan frying the onion, and I'm going to put my diced chicken inside this hot oil. I just want to fry for a little bit for it to just be a little bit crispy. I'm taking it out right now. Now I'm going to put some of my blended pepper in it. I'm going to fry this pepper till it's dry a little bit, depending on your taste. Then I'll put my vegetables and chicken back in it, and this is what I'm doing and my seasoning. So watch me as I put my seasoning and my vegetable in it back inside the sauce. Once this is reduced, which is done within 20 minutes to 30 minutes, then I put back the plantain inside this delicious sauce. And you can see me putting this plantain at the end and folding the plantain in the sauce. Try as much as possible to be almost 60% plantain, 40% sauce. That's when you get a better outcome when you do this at home. So I'm folding this, and I'm going to let it just warm up and cook together so the plantain can soak in the sauce. So after 10 minutes, plantain casserole is done. Now I'm going to decant it in my plate to present it and to eat it. So this is how I'm going to do it. So let's go to my plate. So this is the final result of my chicken plantain casserole. Chicken plantain casserole, chicken dodo casserole. It came out really nice. You can use this. You can eat this by itself. You can eat it with your rice. You can eat it with any kind of carbohydrates. You can eat it with bread. You can eat it with yams, and with your potato or with your spaghetti. Any way you want to eat it, just eat it. I'm eating this by itself tonight. It's a meal by itself. And that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoy watching me cooking this plantain chicken plantain casserole. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, share, interact, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget, choose to be happy. Like Yemi's always say, happiness is a choice. Choose to look at your glass half empty. That is the key to life. Love you, Chef Yemi.